In the final stanza, the poet asks some searching question, some political question about uprising and subsequent execution of the leader. Was it needless, he asks a question? Was it a waste of effort? He says, what if they were bewildered and died for the country? He will murmur their names in this poem like a mother names the child. The poem becomes here a moving, befitting tribute, a celebration of heroism, finally and memorably. So let's now read the line and find out. Too long a sacrifice can make a soul of heart. The poet believes a long struggle takes away human emotion. Man becomes unfeeling after the long struggle. Oh, when it may suffice. There has been a long line of sacrifice. The poet wonders how long it will continue. That is heaven's part. So he finally comes to the conclusion, only heaven knows when the end will come to the line of sacrifice, to the line of martyrdom. As a mother to murmur names upon name, our part to murmur names upon name, we can only remember name. Murmur the names of those leaders of uprising who gave their life for the cause of the country. As a mother names her child, so he will like to name these heroes like a mother. When sleep at last has come on limbs that had run wild. So these heroes had a long struggle and they were fagged out. They were disenchanted possibly. They were tired, they were fatigued. So he compares their death to a long sleep. What is it but nightfall? No, not night but death. Death is a pervasive figure in modern poetry, a recurring image in Yeats. So they have achieved death and martyrdom. Was it needless death after all? Was it a waste of human life? For England may keep the faith for all that is done and said. England may think so and could grant autonomy to Ireland. We know their dreams enough to know they dreamt and are dead. So he recalls the hero who had the capacity, the ability to dream of collective life. A human life for all the Irish national. We know their dreams enough to know they dreamt and are dead, and they died for the cause. And what if excess of love bewildered them till they died? This is the beautiful moment again. The poets say they were bewildered. There is no doubt about it. It was the excess of their love for the country which was the cause of their death. I write it out in a verse. The poet promises immortality. By writing their names in the verse, they remain there. MacDonagh, MacBride, Colony, Pearse, now and in time to come, for the future. Our change utterly a terrible beauty is born, and finally the refrain sums up. They have given their life for this beauty, for this beginning, for this hope.